Good morning and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog. For today is the 21st of March and spring is finally here. Yes, that means it's ready time to plant the seeds and get cracking on the allotment. It's the best time of the year. I love planting all the seeds, starting the germination off and just watching them grow into nice fruit and vegetables. I must apologise for not being here for the last month. Been having issues with my car, not having one, so I've not been able to get to the plot, but I've got to catch up and get back on track, ready for planting out in the garden. I should hopefully do it, but a mission is on. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog video. I planted my garlic and my onions. My garlic is coming on epic, look at that. Those are ready for planting out. So I've just got to prepare a bit of ground for them and I'll get them planted out hopefully this week or next week. My onions, however, they've not done so well at the moment, but I'm going to get some water on them and hopefully they'll catch up and get growing, ready to plant out. Said in my opening, spring is finally here. That's now when I start to plant my seeds, so I've got all these to plant. I just need to sort them out into piles of what I'm going to plant today, into my trays. Keep your eye on what I'm going to do. Right, that's all my seeds sorted out, what need planting. These are all ready to plant now. It's going to be a mammoth task. And looking at needing about 43 seed trays, which is an awful lot. So let's get this party started and cracking. But the seed trays that I use for planting my seeds in are these strong plastic ones. I've had the other ones in the past and they just break after a couple of years, but these ones will last years. They're usually like £1 each, but usually at sales at end of year you can get them for about 50p. So yeah, these ones are ones that I get. Halfway there, we're planting all my seeds. Still another lot to go, but getting there. I've got 9 different varieties of tomatoes this time. First time I've tried so many different types. Gardener's Delight, Alicante, Elisa Craig, Moneymaker, Red Cherry, Red Pear, this one's Marmand, if that's how you say it, Roma, and Liddy, yellow ones. So yeah, plenty to try this year. I won't be growing all the plants because I've not got enough room, but I've planted all the seeds and then take the best ones from them. So yeah, plenty going on. Just got to finish off the other half now, and that's just my vegetables. I've got still all these flower seeds to do, but my main priority is getting my veg in first, and then we'll get cracking up with all that lot. Accomplished. All the seeds now planted. Look at all them. My next task tomorrow is just to label them up, because these packets won't last forever, so get plastic signs made for them, and then get some cling film over the top to keep them warm for the next beast from the east, what's meant to be coming. Hopefully not, but yeah, I'm happy now that I've done these. Just got my flower seeds to do, and then we're cracking on. My strawberry plants that I potted up last month from all the runners, as you can see they're all growing. Just giving them a water. They've not been watered for a month, but they're still alive, which is the main thing. So yeah, get them potted back up and running, and then give it a couple of weeks. I'll plant them out. Thank you for watching today's episode of the Yorkshire Gardener vlog. I'm glad that it's finally returned, the vlogging. I hope you've enjoyed it. There'll certainly be plenty more coming soon, because now is the main time for the gardening, and you'll be able to watch my seeds grow and what I do through the spring. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, so that you see the videos as they get uploaded. Also, feel free to share, like, and also comment on the video, sharing your tips and advice. I always accept plenty of tips and advice, because you never know exactly what you're doing. You follow other people's leads and their best results. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.